kids, hope you all are doing great. So आज जो हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे वो IMO का क्लास 2 का सैंपल पेपर है. So we have 35 questions in total in IMO. 10 questions are based on logical reasoning, 10 questions are based on mathematical reasoning, 10 questions are based on everyday mathematics, and 5 questions are based on achievers section. So the total time is 1 hour and total number of questions are 35. So आज हम ये sample paper solve करेंगे. So first question from logical reasoning. The number of triangles in the given figure is, so let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3. So how many triangles are there? There are 3 triangles. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. What will come next in the sequence? Now watch the series carefully. So we have a triangle, then we have a circle. The next figure is circle inside the triangle. Triangle, then square. So next should be square inside the triangle. So which figure is, this figure is correct because it has square inside the triangle. Let's move on to question number 3. When arranged in order from smallest to biggest, which number will be the last position in the sequence? Now, no need to change it into increasing order. So ultimately the biggest number would be the end. So you can just find out the biggest ones. So 79 is the biggest number. So option A is the correct answer. Isn't it interesting? Okay, so let's move on to question number 4. How many sleeping lines are there in the given figure? So we need to count sleeping lines. You know sleeping lines? These type of lines are called sleeping lines and these type of lines are called standing lines. Now let's calculate the sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sleeping lines. Don't get confused with these 2 and these 2. These are the part of these sleeping lines only. So total number of lines are 4. So C is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question from mathematical reasoning. Now question 5 says the largest 2-digit number is, so which is the largest 2-digit number? It's 99. So largest 1-digit number is 9. Largest 2-digit number is 99. Largest 3-digit number is 999. Largest 4-digit number is 9999. So this is how we find the largest number. Now let's move on to question number 6. The height of a tree is, now see, this figure has been given. So now from here, just make a line and see. How much length does it has? The height? It is 4. Just draw a line from here to see. So the correct answer is B, 4 units. Moving on to question number 7. 500, 1 ones and 5 tens. So let's put the numbers in order. So we have 100, then we write tens, and then we write ones. So it says 500. So write down 5 under 100 column. 1 ones. So let's write 1 here. And 5 tens, 5. Again 5 tens. So 551. Sorry for the bad handwriting. Okay. Moving on to question number 8. There are 3 stars in a flag. There are 7 such flags. How many stars are there altogether? There are 3 stars in a flag. There are 7 such flags. So how many stars are there in all together. So for this, you must know tables. That means 3 into 7. So 3 7 times is 21, or you can call it 3 sevens are 21. So B is the correct answer. If you don't know table, you can count manually also. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, and 18 plus 3 is 21. Moving on to next question, question number 9. What is the total cost of the food items displayed? So we have juice, we have biscuits, and we have milk. How to calculate that fast? Right? I know you can calculate by writing all the three numbers in order and calculate, but how you can calculate mentally? 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 14. So 60 plus 10 is 70 plus 4. So 74 is the correct answer. Time is very, very important during Olympiad. Most of the children know how to solve, but they are not able to solve within the time. So let's move on to next section, which is everyday mathematics. Let's read question number 10. There are 684 pupils in a school. 297 of them are boys. How many girls are there in school? So there could be two type of student, boys and girls, right? So there are 684 students, out of which 297 are boys. So rest are girls. So how we can find out? We can subtract 297 from 684 and we can get our answer. So one way is you write it somewhere, 684 minus 297 and subtract. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Here 7 would left. Now we cannot subtract 9 from 7, so we will take the borrowing. So it will become 17 and this will become 5. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Here now we are left with 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So 387 is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Anupriya had rupees 90. She bought a pair of scissors for rupees 60. How much money, how much amount she has now? Again, the similar questions. The total money was 90. She bought scissors for rupees 60. So we need to subtract 60 from 90. Now, no need to write it in columns and solve it. It's very simple. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 30 is the correct answer. So this is how you can subtract ones digit from ones digit, tens digit from tens digit, and you are here. Saurabh traveled from his home. Now I'm doing question number 14. To the library. He took two routes. Route 1, home, to hospital, to mall, to library. So now, where is home? Yes, this is home. Home to hospital, 13 kilometer. Hospital to mall. Hospital to mall, 12 kilometer. Mall to library is 18 kilometer. Second route, home to park, 14 kilometer. Park to school, 2 kilometer. School to library, 15 kilometer. Now, how you can calculate which way is the shortest? We need to find which route is the longest and how much distance. Okay, so we need to find out by how much. Now let's add the three numbers 13 and 12 and 18. So we will try to calculate mentally without writing. 8, we are adding all ones digit. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So 3 is the ones digit. Now let's add the tens digit. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus carry over. So total distance from here to here is 43 kilometers. Let's calculate the other route. So let us take another color. So now let us calculate from here to here. Now I'm calculating from here to here. So 14 plus 2 plus 15. Now again let's do the mental calculation. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 plus 15 is 30 और यहाँ पे हमने 1 छोड़ दिया था. That means 15 plus 15 30. 30 plus 1 is 31 kilometer. So from here to here it is 31 kilometer. So now we need to find out which one is the longest. So route 1 is the longest. Now the option can be either A or B. Now to identify by how much, you can solve this and identify. But like 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1. But be smart. The total distance is 43. So no need to calculate because the difference cannot be 43 or more than 43. So the correct option has to be option 1, which is A. Well, Mrs. Tanuja bakes 20 cupcakes. If she packs 4 cupcakes in one box, then how many boxes does she need to pack all the cakes? So to solve these type of questions, we need to do division. So there are how many cups? 20 cupcakes, and she has to divide it in 4 cups. So how we will solve? 20 divided by 4 is equals to. So now we need to find out when does 20 comes in the table of 4. So 4 5s is 20. So the correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question. There are 15 cats, 18 dogs and 13 rats. How many animals are there all together? When all together comes, that means we need to do addition. So let's calculate 15. Then I need to add 18. And then I need to add 13. So 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So one thing is clear, that the answer would be this, because the ones digit is 6. Right? So there is no option other than option B, which has 6 as a ones digit. So kids, be smart, right? It's not necessary for you to solve the whole question. At times you can find out the answer by solving half of it. But be sure. Identify the 3-digit number. And these are the hints given. So based on these hints, we need to identify the 3-digit number. So 3-digit number has 100, tens and ones. So let's read the instructions. The digit of the 10th place is 3-digit number is 3 more than the digit in its ones place. So read it carefully. Now it says the digit on 10th place. That means यहाँ पे जो number आएगा is 3 more than the ones place. So इस number का it would be 3 times. For example, if it is 3 more than, like for example, if it is 1, it would be 4. If it is 2, it would be 5, like that. Now, the digit in its 100th place is double to the digit in 10th place. Like for example, here if it is 5, so it cannot be 10 because then it will become a 4-digit number. So it has to be smaller than 5. If it is 4, 4 twos are 8. Now, the digit on its ones place is 2 tens minus 20 ones. Now, 2 tens. Let's start from bottom to top. The digit in the ones place is 2 tens. What is 2 tens? 2 tens means 20. 20 ones. 20 ones is again nothing but 20. We will do these topics separately in different videos. So 20 minus 20 is nothing but 0. So I could identify that one's digit number is nothing but 0. Let's find 10th digit number. So the 10th digit number is 3 more. So if it is 0, it has to be 3 because 0 plus 3 is 3. Now, let's find out 100 place number. So, the 100 place number is double the digit. So, 3 into 2 is 6. So, 630 is the correct answer. See, if you are in hurry and you could identify only this, then also you can choose the correct option. You may choose the correct option because there is no number with 0 ending with 0, that means 0 at the place of one's digit, and we have found out that the number at the one's digit has to be 0. So you can quickly choose the option if time is not permitting for you to find out the whole answer. This is all for today. So sharing different test papers and different topic videos. So I hope you will enjoy watching and learning from them. Thank you.